Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me 2 questions, and it's all about the basic shapes or common shapes underneath your polygon tool. You have common shapes or basic shapes. We'll start with this happy face. They wanted to know how to draw a frown. This is easy. Just hold down your control button and make so your circle's perfect. Get the shape tool and grab that red bar right there, that red triangle or diamond, and you could do anything you want to with it. Now their second question was how you could do this. Well, to do that, I would have it selected and go to Object and convert it to a curve. And by doing that, you could grab these 2 nodes, right-click, and, well, just Control D would make a duplicate of it. Whoop, I must have deleted it. So I've got those 2 selected, Control D, then just grab, so you've got 2 on top of each other, and just grab that and make you a smiley face. Different style. But that red diamond or whatever is good for almost everything under common shapes or basic shapes, like a prohibited sign. This one right here doesn't really look like that, but if you take your shape tool, let me zoom in here a little bit. Take your shape tool and slide this forward. Well, actually slide it down, then, or slide it out to make it look like a prohibited sign. And then I'd go to Object and convert it to a curve. And when you do that, you can fill it in with red, take away the outline, and you have a prohibited sign. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, answer their question, and thank you for watching.